Hello makers, I'm Catherine Harris with Share Stitchery, and each week we do sewing and DIY tutorials, so smash that subscribe button down below. This week I wanted to share with you a pattern review for the Sonia Estop Designs Lily dress. Let's get to it!
Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum.
So the Lily dress is a fantastic basic to include in your wardrobe. I made this dress and seriously, you can whip this up in an afternoon. It is so quick to come together, which is why I didn't do a sew along. That being said, if you would like me to do a sew along as well, I would be happy to do that because I see myself making a ton more of these dresses. It comes together quite simply with a simple gathered skirt with some inseam pockets, which are optional, as well as a bodice. And then to create the arms, you're just using the same arm and neck bands that you would on, say, a regular t-shirt. Comes together in a snap. And it is not lined. That being said, if you are using a knit that is about a t-shirt weight, it would be perfect. Now I decided to use up this Modal fabric here, and it's a bamboo modal that I got from ThreadCrate, and it is very lightweight. In fact, it is see-through when you stretch it. So what I did is I actually interlined the inside of my bodice with a t-shirt fabric. I have some t-shirt print that is super cute and I thought would make a fun pop of color on the inside of my dress here. So I interlined the bodice piece and then the rest I just have with this bamboo modal. Now, in terms of fit, I did not have to make any adjustments. It is definitely true to size, and I find that Sonia Estop designs, a lot of their patterns do go very true to size, and typically with patterns, I have to do full bust adjustments. Now, this is a knit, so it is a bit more forgiving, and I did not have to do that with this pattern. It really does fit quite nicely. It is also incredibly comfortable to wear. It is what I like to call a house dress, and I think I have mentioned that in a video before, which is essentially a very comfortable dress that you can wear around the house, which is probably as comfortable as pajamas, but you still look nice and polished if you answer the door or go out to grab some groceries. Now, this dress has a ton of different options. So you have a above the knee version, you have a below the knee version, and you have a maxi version. You also have a high-low hem version, as well as a couple of different sleeve options. So you have a sleeveless version, which I chose because it is the heart of summer and it can get incredibly hot here, and I just wanted to have something nice and cool to wear. You can also have a short sleeve option as well as a long sleeve option. And if that wasn't enough options, there is an option for a placket version that has a little placket in the front with some buttons going down, which I think looks oh so cute. And I really think that I am going to try that out on my next one. And maybe I will do a sew along with that version simply because it has a little bit more to it when you're adding in that placket. And I think you might get a little bit more out of that. If you want to see that video, do let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, makers, let's get our sewspiration on.